Hello everyone, welcome back to my DS Nature and Culture YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the breathtaking beauty of Ha Long Bay, one of the most famous natural wonders in Vietnam. Our adventure starts with an exciting speedboat ride across the emerald waters of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. As the speedboat begins to move, the cool ocean breeze and the sound of the waves instantly create an amazing feeling of freedom and excitement. The boat moves quickly through the beautiful limestone islands that rise dramatically from the sea. Every direction looks like a postcard. The water is calm, green, and crystal clear, reflecting the giant Rocky Mountains around us. Riding a speedboat in Ha Long Bay is not just transportation, it is a thrilling adventure. The boat cuts through the water at high speed while offering stunning panoramic views of nature. Along the way, we can see floating fishing villages, small hidden beaches, and unique rock formations shaped by nature over thousands of years. The atmosphere here is peaceful but also full of energy. Some islands look like giant animals, while others appear like ancient castles standing in the middle of the sea. The fresh air and beautiful scenery make this experience unforgettable. If you love adventure and nature, a speedboat ride in Ha Long Bay is definitely something you should try.
To the second check-in point. Okay, I informed him already. You see guys, now we reach to the second check-in point on speedboat tour already. The first you see this side too quiet, right? Yes. Not too many boats, right? Why is that? Because this side is private area. Just someone do 3 days, 2 nights. 2 nights stay overnight on the bay. They can come over here. The rest, when you do 1 day trip or 2 day 1 night trip, when you want to come here, speedboat, that is solution. And that's why we are in the south go further, like drum south. That's why they call that one is drum camp. Anyway, inside the camp, that is a big room, and it's so fresh. Before they hold music show, they hold in a party inside. They sell the ticket is quite expensive, about 1,000 US dollar, one show, 1 night. Now they don't do it anymore. Maybe how long UNESCO, they are not allowed to do that because maybe they want to keep Ha Long Bay quiet at night, right? And it's way inside the cave we found some plastic of the caveman, something. $520 million years ago, Hope Ha Long Bay was covered by the water. The water they carry some kind of animal like oyster, like swan, like snail. When they die, they cell left, they stay one by one, one by one. From generation to generation, it built an island here. Anyway, inside the island, we got something like sand, land, water. When it gonna left the whole like that, or when the island here, they cannot link anymore. They can break down, falling down. That's why sometimes you see the island in Ha Long Bay, they are automatic fell down. And you can see further, you see a lot of big ships, right? They stop there for exporting and importing our product.
My glasses.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers.
After the exciting speedboat experience, it is time for a slower and more relaxing activity, kayaking. Now we are entering the calm waters by kayak, surrounded by massive limestone cliffs and quiet lagoons. Kayaking gives us a completely different experience from the speedboat. Everything feels peaceful and close to nature. As we paddle gently across the water, we can truly enjoy the silence and beauty of Ha Long Bay. One of the best things about kayaking is the opportunity to explore hidden caves and small areas that larger boats cannot reach. The water is incredibly calm, making it perfect even for beginners. Every paddle stroke brings us closer to nature. The sound of the water touching the kayak, birds flying above the cliffs, and the soft wind create a relaxing atmosphere. Sometimes we can stop paddling for a moment and simply admire the stunning landscape around us. The limestone mountains look even more impressive from the water level. Kayaking in Ha Long Bay is not only fun but also peaceful and refreshing. It allows travelers to slow down, enjoy the moment, and connect with nature in a very special way. This adventure in Ha Long Bay has been truly unforgettable. From the thrilling speedboat ride to the peaceful kayaking journey, both experiences show different sides of this incredible destination. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this adventure in Vietnam, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more travel experiences from around the world. See you in the next video.